So in this video, you're going to be learning about the area of a circle. Take the tabletop that we were talking about earlier, or in the other video. The table is the distance around it would be the circumference. The part that covers it would be the area. And the area of a circle is equal to pi times the radius squared. So you always have to find the radius first. And you have to do that squared, which means radius times radius. So this could be written A equals pi times r times r. Okay? And this says use 3.14 for pi. So with this circle, we write the formula. A equals pi r squared. A equals 3.14 times 6 times 6. Well, 6 times 6 is 36. So I have to come over here, 3.14 times 36. And that's 24, 6, 8, 18, and that's 12, and 3, 4, and 9. And add all that up, 12, 13, 10, 11. So it is area equals 113.04, and that's inches. And because it's inches times inches, and its area covering the table, it's inches squared. So that's how you do that. Now, the difference for whenever you're given the diameter is you have to find the radius first. So go ahead and work this problem with the diameter being 10 centimeters. Put in the formula, plug it in, see what you get, and whenever you come back, you can check your answer. Area equals radius squared. So 3.14, to substitute in, 3.14 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. I always do this first. So 5 times 5 is 25, and then 3.14 times 25 calculates out to 78.50 centimeters squared. It's centimeters squared because it's unit times unit. So find the area of each circle in terms of pi. So they're letting us off easy. Let me show you what this means. So the area of this circle would be area equals pi times r squared. And so area equals pi times 6, because that's the radius, times 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. And then we can just say pi is 36 times pi. And we leave it in terms of pi. So we don't have to do all of that multiplying of 3.14 times this. So, but this one gets a little tricky. It's 2.5 times 2.5. So area equals pi r squared. Area equals pi times 2.5 times 2.5. And so do that in terms of pi. And then this one, do this one and this one in terms of pi, and then you can check your work. Is pi times 2.5 times 2.5, that's 6.25 times pi yards squared. This is 10 times 10, which is 100, so 100 times pi millimeters squared. And this one, you have to take the radius, so it's 9. 9 times 9 is 81, so it's 81 times pi feet squared. Okay, so then you're going to have word problems. It says an apple pie has a diameter of 14 inches. What is its area? Use 22/7 for pi. So let me draw a picture of it. So I've got this, and I've got this all the way across is 14. So my formula for area is area equals pi r squared. So area equals 22/7 times 14. Oops, nope, made a mistake. That is the diameter. So I need radius times 7 times 7. So going to do 7 times 7. Just cross out those two 7s, cross canceling. So 22 times 7. 22 times 7 is 154. So area equals 154 inches squared. And this says a telescope lens has a 2-meter radius. What is its area? So area equals pi r squared. Area equals 3.14 times 2, because it's the radius, times 2. So that's 4. So 3.14 times 4 . Move it 2 places. So area equals 12.56, and that is meters squared. So it's 2 times 2, that's the radius. Here's your homework check. With this, you're going to be just using a word problem to find the area. And this one, you're going to have the area, and you're going to have to work backwards to find the radius. But use 3 for pi.